Another hot day today. Our forecast, we're going to get up to 102 for our high, guys. We're talking about almost dangerous levels of heat. We're not quite to heat advisory criteria, but it feels just a couple degrees below that by the afternoon. So really thinking about heat safety, especially if you have to be outside during those peak daytime heating hours from noon to about 7 o'clock. I mean, the sun is setting a little earlier, so that's helpful. Now you don't have to wait till 8 to get outside, but it still takes a while to cool things off. So feeling like 75 along with the air temperature at 7, we start to feel hotter than that air temperature of 91, almost triple digits by noon, and then we'll be feeling like 105 with that air temperature of 102 this afternoon. This is the good news. We have a little drop in the humidity today, almost feeling dry by the afternoon hours. This is mainly because we had a large plume of Saharan dust move over us. Now it's starting to move to the north, and we'll get a little break from that. So better air quality until the later parts of the week when we get into a second round of dust. But as we lose the dust and we start to see winds kick in again from the south, about Tuesday, Wednesday, we'll get back into that more muggy, almost tropical feel with the dew points. We'll get out of the pleasant range that we'll have this afternoon, and that's not great news because our highs are going to remain in the triple digits. I'm forecasting pretty much 103 every day. I don't really see a difference through this entire pattern, but look what happens with the heat index. We could see heat alerts multiple days through the later parts of the week, especially when we get that muggy meter getting back into those 70-degree dew points. When you pair that with triple-digit highs, you're going to see a spread of 5 or more degrees from the air temperature to the heat index. And the reason it's so hot and there's not much of a change is high pressure stays pretty much right over us all the way into next weekend. You see some changes in the southeast, but really not much for us. And we're in a hole for rainfall, so we're not going to see a lot of rain chances there. Now over in the Pacific, we are watching Hurricane Lala. This just impacted Hawaii and continues to impact the Hawaiian island chain as it's moving up to the northwest. It's a Category 1 hurricane still. The good news, it's going to start pulling away soon, but still close enough and quite lopsided on the winds here. The north side is where all the winds are, so there's still tropical storm warnings in effect for the islands as it weakens to a tropical storm and then re-strengthens to a hurricane out to sea. Something we're watching. We also have 2 other areas with medium chance of development on the eastern Pacific side. Nothing to watch in the Atlantic as the wind shear has destroyed all of those storms out there. So right now we're just seeing the low clouds this morning, 76 at Camp Mabry, 94% humidity. We're going to see the moisture out there starting to push that heat index up. Again, a little dip in the humidity might help us today, but still going to feel hot. Tomorrow, a stray shower possible north. By next Saturday, maybe we see some showers again, but it's mostly going to be dry and triple-digit heat all week long.